Hi, Nhi. Okay, Nhi. Okay, how are you, Nhi?
Fine.
Ah, ah, me ha. Ala, di lagi mau open Nhi. Okay, so today, Nhi, we're going to talk about, okay, hostel. Okay. Okay. So, what do you think this one? Okay. So, what might you talk about with other people in the hostel? Okay, in the hotel. So, what do you think you are gonna ask with them?
Mm, Um, I don't know. In the hostel, I think I just how to say, just get acquainted.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. So what might you talk about with other people in a hostel? Example that one.
I don't know. I just get acquainted.
Okay, you need to have acquaintance. Okay, you need to acquaint to other people. Okay, what do you think you were going to say first?
I don't know. I just say hello.
Okay, what else aside from hello?
I don't know. I've never been to the hostel.
Here, please try to have this dialogue. So please read the dialogue and after a while, you have to tell me the answer.
Okay.
You tell me if you're done, ha?
Mhm. Okay, I'm finished.
Okay. So look at this one. You choose the correct word to complete the expressions. You choose the correct word to complete the expressions. Okay?
Mm-mm.
Okay mo man. Manawan.
Okay, so please try to answer this one.
I'm finished.
Okay. Do you prepare to stay in a hostel? Hey, hostel, are you okay to share a room with people you don't know? Okay, that's share. I prepare traveling alone. Okay, so I don't have to worry about other people. Oh, you like it. There are a lot of cheap hostel from the city for travels on budget to stay. Budget it means if you don't have enough money, you can stay in the cheaper hotel. Okay, that's common. Okay. Next one. Choose the correct response to make conversation about hostel. What do you think is the correct response? A, B, and C. You write the letter of your choice.
I finished.
Okay. So do you always stay in hostels when you travel? Okay. B. Okay, yes, I do. Aren't you scared of sharing a room with people you didn't know? Okay. Indeed, but some hostels do not always have comfortable rooms, right? Sure, but staying hostel is good when you are on small budget. Okay, very good. Of course, if you don't have enough budget, you can stay in the small hotel. Okay, that's pretty sure. Okay, so this one. You have to have conversation. Let me have. You have conversation with your teachers. You act out the scenario, and the scenario is you are staying at a hostel in a foreign city for the first time, huh? You want to know more about other travelers' experiences when they stay at hostel. So you ask one of your roommates. So the challenge, what would you do if you got culture shock from the conversation with the people you met at the hostels? For example, you met people from Africa. You don't have the same custom and traditions. So you think okay, is this blank? Do you mind sharing? How is your stay? I think hostel are blank. Okay, so you have to think the questions. Okay, and after a while, if you can think, you tell me. Do you think, what you were gonna ask? Your challenge is what would you do if you got culture shock? Okay, from the conversation with people you met at hostel, because of course you don't have the same values and traditions. You're different.
Teacher,
Mm-hmm.
it's
Why?
like it's like I will like
You will gonna
uh
say, okay, example you will gonna say, example you are facing with the people that you don't know. Okay. You tell me how if you're done.
Okay.
Okay, ready now? You just tell me if you're ready, huh?
Um, to talk to someone in a hostel, I will say, do you mind sharing room with me? Or
Hmm.
I think hotels are large and airy.
Okay, and then what else?
I don't know. I've never been to the hostel, so I don't know.
Okay, so probably you're gonna say, okay, so example, you're gonna meet person that you just the first time knew, okay? So it's quite terrible. Okay, so this one, I know you're gonna adjust, of course, because that's your first time. Okay, so is this your first time staying at the hostel? Please review the traveler one and traveler two. Okay, so they are talking with each other. Please try to review and I will ask you a question, huh? Okay, are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, so traveler one, they're talking, is this your first time eating, staying at the hotel? Okay, traveler two said, it's a first time. Okay, so they're talking with each other. Okay, then not really, I usually stay in hostels to save money. Oh, hostels is quite cheaper than hotel. Okay. Do you get uncomfortable sharing a room with strangers? I don't mind it that much since I get to meet new people. How about you? How is your stay here? I'm pretty satisfied so far. The place is really comfortable and cheap. at the same time, so I cannot really complain. Oh, so what do you think they're talking about? I will ask you.
Uh, I think they ask about the stay at the hostel at the first time,
Okay.
and the stay in hostel is comfortable and cheap.
Okay, it's comfortable and it is cheap. Okay, next one. Okay, this one. In the museum, okay, what might you find in the museum?
We can find um, we can find the ancient artifacts.
Okay, so you can find artifact. Okay. So of course, in the museum, you can find there a lot of things like the old, okay, things, the old memories, the old artifact that you want to keep. It's in the museum. Everything you can see there. So look at this dialogue. This is about stop him. So you read, and after that, we're gonna ask questions to each other. What is it? Okay, okay. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, what exhibition did Tim want to see? What exhibition did Tim
About
want to see? It's about,
the Picasso
okay,
works
about the
exhibition.
Picasso is exhibitions. Picasso exhibitions. Okay. So, what other things might a museum have? What other
Mm,
things might a museum have?
the painting from some very famous artists.
A painting from very famous artists. Okay, that's it. Okay. So another one. Okay. What can you say if you want to ask where something is in museum? What can you say if something will ask? What can you say if something, if you want, what can you say if you want to ask where something is in museum? What you were gonna
Like
say? If someone will ask, oh,
I
where
would
is that
say
in museum? What can you say?
I've never been to the museum. Can can I borrow the map
Okay.
and then we can follow the map to the something in the museum.
Okay, so that's it. So of course, sorry, I don't know much about museum in this museum. So probably we can borrow a map so I can tell you where exactly is the place. Okay, that's very good. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, please put the letters in each word accordingly. Where can I find the blank? What is this?
Teacher,
Yes.
can I see the script
Okay.
again?
Yeah. That one.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I finished.
Okay. Exhibition. Very good. Two. I really love these paintings. Very good. Please tell me about sculpture. Very good. Wow. Okay, very good. And of course, where can I pay the entrance fee? Okay, yes. Great job, me. Okay, yeah, you understand?
Mm,
Okay, very easy, right? Okay, so here, please, can you please erase me?
okay.
Okay. Please try to write here what do you think is the letter. Choose the letter. You still have 3 minutes. Choose the letter of the correct answer.
Okay, I finished.
Okay. B. Good afternoon. Is this where I can pay the entrance fee? Yes, your entrance fee is 69 if 9. Okay. C. Here's my payment. It's my first time here in the Louvre Museum. Okay. And 3. Okay. Of course, there with other Renaissance painting. Let me show you. Okay. Very good. Gi. Okay. Great job. Very easy, right? Very easy to remember. Okay. So, Ngi, teacher, and we'll see you on when again? Friday. Oh, sorry. I cannot see you on, wait. Friday because teacher has a pajama night party. Okay. Maybe I can have the class with you at around 8 p.m. on Friday. Is that okay?
I don't know. Uh,
Or Saturday. You want Saturday?
I don't know. I will check the schedule. Okay.
Okay. You tell me, ha?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Ngi.
Yeah, goodbye.
Thank you so much. Bye. Sorry, my camera is not working today. Sorry. Bye-bye. Oh, I like your bangs.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.